Some Theta Network Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, we are going to talk about the Theta Network. My friends, that is the warning video for all Theta Network. What's going on in this time in the Theta Network? Absolutely, the things are getting crazy, my friends. At this time, things getting crazy. Let me show you, my friends, the price changes. First of all, you can see here. Now at this time the things absolutely everything is going wrong in the Theta Network. You can see the last 1 hour price change is completely in negative 1.27%. The price going down in the last 60 minutes, my friends. You can see here that now the current situation is going crazy. So what should we do in this critical situation and this crazy situation, my friends? First of all, if you are new in my channel, please, my friends, click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about Theta Network and other cryptocurrencies, my friends. So now let's continue the video. As you know, at this time the condition is going crazy, my friends. So what is my instruction for all of you, my friends? My instruction for all of you is that now you can see here from this price chart, you can understand the next move of the Theta Network. You can see here now continuously fast down occur from the previous week, my friends. I think from the 3 May the price of continuously fast down, and now you can see here, if I zoom the chart so you can easily understand at this time the last hour. And my friends, it is a prediction. You can see here I'm talking about this. That is the current situation of Theta Network. The things are getting crazy from this point. In the last 60 minutes, the Theta Network price is going down. So be alert, and that is the warning news for all Theta Network holders, that the price is going down for the next 2-3 days, my friends. Maybe the price will pump in these 2-3 days, but my prediction is that the price will going to fast down to the next 2-3 days, my friends. And after 2-3 days, the price will again pump. I'm not talking to you that the price is continuously fast down in Theta Network. No, my friends, that is a temporary fast. After 2-3 days, the price will pump, and after these days, the price will again start moving upward. So that is the warning news. Hope you like this latest update. Click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.